Hello everyone, this is Dr. Salia and I'm certified from American Aesthetic, and today I'm going to talk about the skin customized plan. Listen, I'm always truthful and honest to my audience, and I just have started. I believe you will like and subscribe my channel and will support it. I prefer people to first be doctor and get your skin evaluated if you have a lot of problem in your skin, like a different type of skin problems. So it's better. Now we talk about neutral type of a skincare plan for everyone, which is actually not the harmful one. First, your cleanser. Cleansing your skin in the morning and night is very important. Twice a day you should cleanse your face. That will help to cleanse your skin and then unclog the pores, and that's how your skin will be free of dirt. And definitely the choice of cleansers, it's very important too, but how you have to choose the cleanser. See, mostly people are telling you if you have a this skin, you go with this cleanser. You have a this skin, you go with this type of a cleanser. This is not my way. I always say that I don't know what your skin is, okay? And you sometimes don't know what your skin is. So if you want to, meet your doctor. Again, I'm stressing on it. Now, you know that, let's suppose you have a skin which is very sensitive, acne prone skin, and allergic reactions that happen in your skin very fast. And what you have to do, never buy the colorful substance and fragrance. No fragrance, no color, no scrub, okay? Try to avoid this type of cleanser, okay? Even AHA and BHA, just discuss it with your doctor. Sometime it causes, because it's the active ingredients and they make the skin more sensitive. How you have to use it, learn it in a right way. Okay, so as I told you, cleanse your face, okay? At least give 1 to 2 minutes to your face properly to cleanse it. And then second step is that you're going out, you're going to work, definitely it's the morning time. After that, sun will there be exposed, and the UV rays you have to get yourself protected from. So what you will do, you will first apply antioxidant, okay, either in the form of any cream or in the form of vitamin C. If you are using vitamin C, I will make another video, because not all vitamin C serums should be used on your skin, because the concentration and the strength of vitamin C is very, very, very important. People think that if we are using high concentration, it's going to give us the results which is very fast, which is actually not the workful thing, because always start with the minimum one. Let your skin be used to of it. Let it adopt everything else which you're doing on your skin, because it's bringing a change, and your skin should be used to of this, and it takes time. Sometimes through the reactions, turns red, turn inflamed. Then what you will do, mind it. Okay, so use 2 to 3 drops of vitamin C, then first serum always. And then if you are using makeup or foundation or anything else, try to use foundation which has SPF 30, and then you have to use a sunblock on it. Last one, I would suggest better to use a sunblock, but sometimes people, they love to use sunblock mixing with their foundation, and then depends on, but I'll always say that try to use it separately to let it work on its own. Because if you mix so many people, let's suppose if you are in the crowd and they're asking you to sing in the chorus, you won't be able to show your own talent. This is actually the collectively they will judge you. But if you are holding mic and you're singing on your own, definitely it's going to show your talent, and people will know that what type of voice you have. Okay, so that's the way it is. In the morning time, this is done. 3 things done. Khalas. Don't forget sunblock, because sunscreen, sunblock SPF 50 is good if you have to work outside a long time. And then domestic level, if you are no sun exposure, then SPF 30 is also fine. But as here in UAE, I'm talking about Dubai and UAE, so the sun is at peak. Now we will talk about the nighttime. Nighttime, I would say, what's your age is very important. if you're over 25, you have to start either using retinol, okay, because right from your mid-20s you have to start using retinol. It will help to improve collagen production in your skin and making your skin more youthful, okay, and then will delay the aging. Retinol, I will make another separate video, because with the retinol you have to be careful which concentration you are actually picking up for your skin. It's not like that everyone is like telling you this is retinol, start using, this is from this is not the right way. You have to know that from which concentration of retinol you have to start with. Now we will talk about in the nighttime, you will wash your face again with the cleanser and before sleeping, and try to use it 15 to 20 minutes or 30 minutes before your bedtime, because when you're sleeping you might lose your product out of your skin, because we use pillow, and that pillow will eat your all effort. So use cleanser, first do cleanser as I told you, and then second step is that retinol. I would say use retinol with the low strength, low concentration in a start, and discuss it with your doctor as I showed you. Show your skin type, skin problem. If there is no problem with skin is good, yes, definitely weekly, twice. Okay, twice a day, not 2 times, okay? So maybe 5 days your face will be free of retinol, okay, the 2 days only. And then use a pea size. If it is a serum, then you have to use 3 drops, that's it. And then after that apply the moisturizer, and let retinol show your effect. Let it work for some time. Do not judge it so fast. Don't be in hurry that, oh my god, it's 2 weeks, I didn't get. In 2-3 weeks you won't get results. Just be consistent, be committed with your skin and your work and your product. You will get amazing results, seriously. And the moisturizers in the last, as told you, layer up with them. And some people, they usually mix it, as I told you. It's up to you, but I'm not the person who like mixing. So this is all about the very basic type of skincare. Hope you understand, and hope it will be helpful for you. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos. Thank you.